Okay, this is Go Ask Kit, and I'm making spaghetti squash that I grew in my organic garden. The spaghetti sauce is cooking in the oven for 50 minutes at 425 with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper on it, upside down. I'll explain that in a little minute when I take it out. And I'm making the spaghetti sauce. I got this spaghetti sauce at Costco on sale, organic marinara. Oh, is it tasty. And to it I added Italian seasonings. A little. I always add to my spaghetti sauce a little bit of just a little bit of pepper flakes. I cut up some bell pepper, some onions, some garlic. Let's see what else. Put some bay leaves in there. Put some what is it? I put some basil. Some basil that I have growing inside my house. Like this, like that. And so I'm doing two things at once. I'm simmering the sauce while the spaghetti squash cooks. And to prepare the spaghetti squash, I'll just tell you, I scraped all of the seeds and the undesirable stuff out of the spaghetti squash, and then I just had, and underneath that is where you get your long spaghetti strands after it's cooked. So I have oh, I don't know, I have 15 minutes to go, so I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back a little later here and continue. Do it now. Let me give it a taste. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's every bit as good as regular pasta spaghetti, maybe better.